Okay, I'm quite shocked to see exotic pet studio right here in the mall. So I saw snakes just now and iguana. Right here you can see them. Where is it? Here. Oh, yeah, it's moving now. Hello. There are two of them. They're so small and so adorable, right? Okay, so they have 6 floors, but level 4 to 6 is parking. So 1 to 3 is shop, and the food court is located at level 3. So this food court has quite a few stores, even though there isn't much customers, but then I see the price is quite reasonable, from like 50 baht onwards. And plenty of sitting space, beautiful decoration, you know. And there's a dessert here also. So grass cherry in here 35 baht. Mango sticky rice 80. And there are more. Scrambled eggs 79, 2 eggs with tofu. Oh man, I just saw the BTS train. Oh, there's nuggets, man. And hot dogs. Wow, and very nice Thai music playing in the background. It's like the feel of this Icon Siam, you know. Have you guys been to Icon Siam? It's the indoor food court at the basement. And kind of similar setup. Very comfortable eating environment. Look at the pot. They're selling the butter sweet corn for 50 bahts. And there's one more corner, something, drink corner, seafood corner. And look at the price, 79 baht for the noodles with chicken meatballs. And also some seafood. And then you have a good view. If you sit here, I can even see the sports complex center and a crowd tower there. There's also a lot of massage shop here. And more the shirts. Wow, look at all these 50 baht shirts. They even sell ceramic bowls here. 250 baht. Well, it's amazing. This shop is a gallery of the Thai king. Wow. And the queen. And here is some more. More massage chair. So 20 baht give you 10 minutes. If you use QR scanner or point, it's more expensive. 50 baht clothes. Wow. Are you serious, man? And here with the all these furniture. Hey, there's even a Buddha gallery here. Hey, this is interesting. Let's have a look. I feel like I just entered a temple, you know. So many interesting standing statues. And I'm the only one here. Look at this, a big sale. But how much is selling? Discounted half price. 12,000 become 5,900 baht. Okay. By the way, my eyes are still suffering from the fresh effect because at the Buddha shop, right? Gallery, a lot of the bright lamps. So I don't see any stuff here. Where's the stuff? And then flower gallery. Wow, so nice. Seriously, there's no stuff but just gallery after gallery. So can this mall be named as an art gallery? Oh, this one is nice. Okay, so level 2 here is a blind box. And then this part, it seems like a lot of bags and action figurines. Hey, this one, Spider-Man. It's a whole stretch, man. Level 2. Oh, there's a shop called Mono Loop. They sell kind of branded. Oh, okay, the price 399. But I thought it's very expensive. It's quite low budget. Oh, they sell the Winnie I Love Winnie series. Right here. Oh, some nice beach wear. Wow, and the hat also for females and guys. Oh, it's so nice. Look at this, guys. Okay, let's return to level 1 and see what interesting finds we can get. There's even a shipping company right here called Fast Ship. Here, there's a lot of the clothes for men. 390, 490, 590. Buy 3 get 1 free, and 100 baht sale. And then next is, oh, all this household stuff. Oh, 我们喜欢这个按摩 massage within 30 minutes minimum. And last is the sushi taru here. What is this, man? Oh, the squid, right? Octopus. And we are back to the Chatuchak night market, weekend market. So if you enjoy this video, please give a like, thumbs up, share and subscribe so more people can find the video. And thanks everyone for watching this video once again. I will see you guys in the next video, and bye bye. Thank you.